that.
Oh.
That's okay, Lala.
You can just wear your pumpkin. Wait, do you have?
Oh, wait. Oh, wait.
Who's
Oh,
that?
wait, if you should put it there, here's a key. Here's a... Oh.
Thing. Yo, Thing.
I think.
Yes.
Wait, go find my best friend. Hey, come.
Hello.
Come on.
Is that you, Bufu?
Yeah.
That sound like a monkey?
Yeah, how you should did that?
Oh, no, it's easy. Come to here, Lalo. Alright, everyone go to city. Oh, wait, hold on.
What is it?
Oh,
Bro. Wow.
Yo!
Yo!
I'm gonna be at my house in 30 minutes.
Yo, but
How you
better
should do
hurry.
that?
Oh, you should go to
She got.
See, wait, I'm gonna invite my friend Carl.
Alright, everyone be quiet for a second. Everyone come here. Everyone come here. Oh, it's not coming.
Hey, think, yeah? Yeah? My friend Carl is going to give you an 18.
Oh, that's so cute. Yes, this guy still has the voice right now. Alright, everyone. Alright, everyone, come to me here. We can take pictures, Lalo. Look, come here. Look, come on. Today's my birthday. So I decided to have a dance party with all my fans. Well, not all my fans, but with some of my fans. I didn't even do that. I messed up.
Don't eat the cake. Don't eat the cake. Don't eat the cake.
I'm just waiting for my grandparents to get to my house. I just gotta wait because the voice thing will glitch.
And if I can't turn up the monkey voice.
This is Guy.
Yo, can you change?
Today's my birthday!
Yeah!
Dance party with some of my fans. Alright guys, come here. Does anyone here have a soundboard?
I wish.
I do it. It's on my phone. Should I do it on my phone?
Bro, do
It's on my phone. Yeah.
Try to at least.
Let's take pictures.
Wait, hold on. I'm trying to find my phone. Oh yeah. Okay, I found my phone. Alright, perfect. Okay, what's the number? Okay, one voice. What?
I can't
Here, we take that part. Today's my birthday!
What the
So I decided to have a dance party with some of my fans.
Happy birthday!
My Oculus was so slow, it wouldn't turn on. It took like 2 minutes just to turn on. What? Why is your Alright, everyone dance! Everything on fire! This is concerning! What? Chippy, chippy, choppa, choppa, looby, dooby, da, da, da.
Why is he doing arson?
I like to smoke.
Oh, my wonderful.
Now we're gonna take some pictures.
Yeah.
Alright, everyone, get ready. We're gonna take a picture. Alright, 420. Everyone stand next to me. Okay.
Yo, you're.
Not Stay right there. Stay right there. No, arson! No!
Oh,
This is awkward.
yo, change.
No, do that pose. No, do that pose. No, do that pose.
What pose?
Yeah, Lalo. That one that you're doing. I didn't even realize that was Lalo.
This one?
Yo,
Yeah,
you.
like that, I guess. Alright, everyone.
I'm a monkey.
Alright, everyone, stand back just a little bit.
I'm a monkey.
I'm taking a picture. This is awkward, but...
Oh, my eyes.
That's what I said. Abufu. Wait, Abufu, can you stay right there? No! Oh, my arm hurts. I can't do that anymore.
I can't see thing one.
Go on top of Lalo. Go on top of Lalo, Wufu. picture now.
Wait, I need cake. Wait,
I
need cake. Wait,
Can you stay right there?
Oh, cool. What are you doing?
Wait.
No.
The birthday one. Yo, Monkey!
Alright, everyone, come here.
I need to close my eyes. I can't see.
It's hard to see because I can't. Look, I can't see.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow.
Wolfoo, no! I just took the picture of Wolfoo. Alright, please stand
Wolfoo,
right
you're
there.
ruining it.
Please, just stand right there,
birthday,
please.
listen.
That's all I ask. That's all I ask, please. Wolfoo, if you don't hurry up, then...
Why?
Then,
Why, why, bro? What the hell?
Wolfoo, please.
Alright. I need.
Dang, he's doing the legal thing. He's doing the legal hand move like this. Please, just stand right there, please. Wolfoo, if you don't hurry up, then
Thank you
you're
so
not
much.
gonna be in
Thank
every
you,
single live stream. Alright, everyone. Pose.
Papi. Papa.
Hold on. Let me take another one.
Wait, let me grab my cake.
Wolfoo's just staring at us creepily. That's so creepy. Alright, everyone. Screen so your mouth is open. You ready?
What?
Everyone, screen so your mouth is open. You're gonna kill me. Alright, everyone, it's time to eat some birthday cake.
Let's eat some
Oh yeah, I forgot, dude.
It was free, buddy.
Nine, 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 nine,
Hit my artery.
nine, 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 nine.
I ate it all.
Watermelon.
Watermelon.
I ate
Oh, no, no, no.
Wait. It's too shallow.
No, I'm sorry.
That's depressing.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and leave
Why?
because I gotta get this video posted and my grandparents are gonna be here in about 10 minutes or something.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Can I get a W? You know I'm not streaming.
W.
Bye-bye. But thank you for listening to Ovo.
Wait.
Thank you for listening.
Are you gonna go live today?
No, because it's my birthday. Okay, I want to spend my day with maybe just my parents. Alright, bye, guys.
Bye.
I didn't even get to say bye.
Hunt.
You just saw?
Now I need to go to an event.
Why? Because her grandparents
I need to go
were
to an
coming
event.
celebrate her birthday.
No. Monkey.
I'm sorry.
No. Blue monkey. Yo. Bro, what are y'all doing? Yo, Blue. Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues. Blue's Clues. How, why you got a monitor in here? Yo, what are y'all doing, bro? Nah, bro, y'all don't understand Java Edition, bro. You guys understand Java Edition, bro? Stop running, bro. Stop running, bro. No, I'm can't. Bro, just can't. Go, bro. Someone go. Someone go. Blue Monkey, what are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm checking out the video.
What are we doing for the video?
I'm just checking.
But what are we doing for the video, though?
Oh, dang it.
Alright, so we're gonna do the same thing, but then I'm gonna use the computer to control you guys. So yeah.
Ooh. Hold on, let me change my fit. Hold on, let me change my fit. Hold on. Let me change my fit this time.
I'm gonna go. Bro, that looks dumb. Alright, everyone on here again. And then when I mix, I'm gonna go like this,
gonna
and
be
you
super-
guys start spinning, okay? All right, so
Okay, is
everyone
this
over here is blue.
Hey, look, we have the same hat. Oh
Yeah.
my.
All right. Let's wait for
come
Blue
on,
to leave, and then I'll start recording.
Stop,
Come
bro.
on, baby.
Bro, move, bro, move.
Call me baby.
I'm gonna smack you, bro. Move. Oh, you want to actually get smacked? Bow, bow, bow. Nope.
Oh, you want to go now?
All right, guys. Everyone on here.
I'm leaving.
Also, guys, and at the end, I'm gonna tease you guys, and then you're gonna start trying to beat me up, like usual, like what the last video.
This is the laws of physics.
Add this on
If
YouTube.
you put
Add
your
this
name
on
right here,
YouTube.
and then love your elbow.
Okay.
That's actually on it.
All right.
Blue.
So,
Add this on YouTube.
hey, bro, Blue Monkey video. Can you get on there? Okay. Never mind. Let's do it. Alright, so let's get this started. Everyone on there and hey bro, on there. Scientist, where are you?
Hey,
I'm right here.
wait, where's
Okay,
the
everyone on
moderator?
here. Everyone on here. We're gonna make a monkey sound. Okay. Recording at 3, 2, 1. We're gonna make monkey sounds. So, and you go. And you go. And you go. And you go. Now let's start mixing it.
Oh, my pickle.
Get your ass.
Okay.
Get your ass.
That's it?
Alright.
Can we do a role play now? Can we do a role play?
Yeah. Which roleplay you want to do, guys?
I want to do
2012. 2012.
Everyone on here.
Two-
Everyone on here.
2012.
Everyone on here. Everyone on here.
2012, bro. So,
We're gonna do school outside.
no, 2012, bro. 2012.
Alright, everyone, we're going to the mirror.
Oh, dang it.
So the scientist is gonna. So I'll
I
make
have
the
the
sounds.
scientist outfit. I have the scientist outfit.
We're gonna have this guy as the
I'm
evil
Vector.
teacher. We're gonna have this guy as the evil teacher.
Hi, Puffinator.
And this cat will become our teacher.
What?
So everyone follow me.
I'm an infector. If y'all see me run,
Substitute.
I'm gonna infect you and turn you into
Evil
one.
substitute. You're gonna go right here. We're not gonna use you yet. I'll tell you.
I got him. Let's
Let me
go.
change my foot. Can I change my
They're getting choked.
Yeah. Hey, hold on.
Guys, who has a YouTube account who would like to record this?
Yo, I would.
Bro, I already recorded 2 times today. I already recorded 2 times today. I don't want to record for another video.
Where's our teacher?
I am the
Are you
king.
our teacher?
Yeah, I'm your
Teacher?
Yeah. Alright, yo, go to your seat. Go to your seat. Go to your seat. You two, go, come. Oh, you committing arson? If you do it,
I like to play forward. Hey,
what's 8 times 5? You know? 8 times 5.
40.
Correct.
40.
Correct. What about you?
Oh my goodness.
Hey, come back here. Come. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing?
Teacher?
Go back to your.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, you can go to the bathroom. Everybody come to class. Sit down. Sit down.
Stop burning my butt.
Stop. 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 Clean that up. Clean that up. Clean that up. Clean that up.
Hey, bro, is there a sink?
Go to your seat. Clean that up. Clean that up.
Is there a sink?
Can I go
What's-
to the bathroom?
Are you a girl or a boy? Hey.
I'm a boy.
You need to wait. Okay, welcome to the class.
Who the heck is this?
Bro,
Because my past life, I was a boy.
get on my class. Get on my class.
No.
Get out my class, kid. Kid, get out my class. Get out my class.
Real bad. I gotta use the restroom real bad.
I have netherite armor, protection 4, thorns 3. Clean that up, actually. Clean it up, janitor.
Okay.
Get out my class. Get out my class. Get out my class. Get out my class.
Hey, bro,
Get out
leave,
my
right
class.
I'm serious.
Get out my class. Get out my class.
Get out of here.
Teacher, who's that? Teacher, who's that?
Oh.
Who's that? Who's that? Is that your substitute? Is he gonna be here tomorrow?
Me?
The substitute.
That's not the substitute. I'm the teacher.
Okay. Alright.
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 Sit down. Hey, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. What's 9 plus 3?
What?
12.
What'd you say?
I'm
Correct.
guessing.
What'd you say?
Yeah.
What's 5 times 5?
25.
Correct.
I keep sneezing.
What's 10 divided by 2?
5.
Correct. What's 5 times 2?
10.
10.
Correct. What is it? What was the other one? What's 4 times 4?
16.
Correct.
Hold on, teacher. I'll be right back. I gotta see this.
Hey!
He said he'll be right back, okay? Hold on. Let me check what's happening. Hold on.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey!
He's gonna hypnotize him. Run away. We need to get back away. We need to get back away.
Wait, what?
Get on second
Alright, yo, come!
floor.
Yo, go up. Hurry up. Hide.
Okay. Follow. Teacher, protect me. I'm going with this.
Stop stomping. What are y'all doing? No, cat, help me, help.
Get him.
Help
Hold you in place. Hold you in place.
Huh?
Hold you in place.
Ow! What are you doing?
Oh no, teacher. Oh no, walk out.
No, please don't hurt me.
Get out of class.
Lock the doors. Hey, get out of here.
Help!
Hey, I'm freaking
I need
holding
to
you.
use this. Take it. Take it.
Holding!
What are you doing?
Please.
Just run! Hide!
Gotcha.
Got you. Hold you in place by the ice.
Evacuate!
I eat ice.
No!
Oh, that's so good.
Stop!
Give me more.
Stop! Help! Someone help me, please! Someone help, please! I can't breathe! Help!
Burn!
I can't breathe!
Now die. I'm gonna burn.
No! Help, please! Do you have healing potions? Do you guys have healing potions? Do you have a healing potion? Thank you.
Hold you!
Huh?
Hold you with the ice. Now the ice is now holding you.
Stop. Ow, that hurts. Stop.
One more hit and you're frozen.
Boss, I found him. I froze him.
Why you betraying me? You're not like this. You were possessed by him.
Boss!
You were possessed by him. Don't believe everything. You were possessed.
By you.
Teacher, help us.
I'm an acrobatic anyways. Follow me, Blue.
What are we gonna do?
Yeah, I'm back to normal, guys. I'm back to normal.
Follow me.
Come on.
Over here.
Fairy Laser, where are you at? Come. Where is he? Come. Fairy Laser, come. They're at 4. Come on.
Break that. Break it.
Ow, I'm low. Help protect me.
Guys, follow me. I'm an expert at force. Come on.
I broke the jar.
What do you mean?
No.
I did.
Come on, let's go, guys.
Hypnotized because I have cake, but you don't.
Ow.
Over here.
Pass. Breaks the jar.
Help.
Now your brain is gonna be rotting.
Why am I recording?
Over here. Over here.
Ow. When was I recording it?